Yeah, let's go. And work on hip twist, side to side. Are you ready? Let's go. To the right. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And to the left. Make sure the shoulders don't move. And to the right. Go. 1, 3. Feel the stretch. 7. To the left. 1, 3. Yeah. 5, 7. To the right. Feel the stretch. 5, 7. To the left. And let's do it faster. Are you ready? Yeah. Let's go. To the right. Yeah. And to the left. Let's go again. To the right. And to the left. One more time. To the right. And to the left. Now, slow again. 1, 3, 5, 7. To the left. 1, 3, 5, 7. To the right. Feel the stretch. Only the hips are twisting. To the left. 1, 3, 5, 7. To the right. 1, 3, 5, 7. To the left. 1, 3. And yes, do it faster. Go. To the right. And to the left. Yes. To the right. 2, 3, 4. To the left. 2, 3, 4. To the right. 2, 3, 4. And to the left. Yeah, doing great. Let's do some more. The more you practice, the better you get. Now, we'll twist a little to the left and then to the right. Let's go. To the right. Prep. To the right. Yeah. Prep. To the right. Only the hips. Prep. To the right. Prep. To the right. The shoulders don't move. Now faster. 1, 3, 5, 7. Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Last time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Doing good. You should feel your obliques muscles by now. And let's move on. Doing a small twist to the right and then to the left. Are you ready? Yeah, let's go. To the left. Prep and left. Yeah, one more time. Left. Prep and left. Last time. Prep and left. Prep and left. And now faster. Yeah, go. Left. 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 Again. 1, 3, 5, 7. Last time. 1, 3, 5, 7. Yeah. And remember, repetition is the mother of skill. So let's do it again. Now we'll do to the right, neutral, and to the left. Are you ready? Let's go. To the right, neutral, to the left. Neutral, to the right, yeah. And to the left. Once again. To the right and to the left. Now faster. Neutral, right, neutral, left. Neutral, right, neutral, left. And right and left and right and left. Last time. Right, left, right, left. Slow again. To the right. Feel the stretch. Neutral. To the left. Stretch it. Yes. To the right. Neutral. To the left. Once again. To the right. Neutral. To the left. Now faster. Right. Neutral. Left. Neutral. Right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left and right and left. Yeah, well done. Thank you for joining me. Don't miss the master tip. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, give it a thumbs up, comment below, and consider subscribing if you want to get at least 3 new videos every week on footwork, body isolation, and space. Check the description for links to all playlists. And remember, don't practice until you get it right. Practice until you cannot get it wrong. So keep practicing, and maybe even get your own t-shirt or sweatshirt. And if you're wondering why I put my heart and soul into these tutorials for you, for free, always for free, let me tell you my story. Master tip of the day: make sure you're not using the hands to help you twist. You can put the hands on the shoulders instead.